Alright, we are back with episode 10 of upcoming Groupbuys. Special shout out to everybody who asked for this series, even in videos that have nothing to do with keyboards. I see y'all. For those of you guys not subbed yet, what are you doing? You're missing out on all the hottest keyboards, keycaps, and switches of the month. So make sure you are subbed if you aren't already. Alright, we're gonna start off episode 10 with a banger. It's the GMK GMK Striker round 2. After Taeha built Tfu's key code, these just exploded. I luckily got mine right before the mayhem. But anyways, this one is ending soon. It ends on April 6th. The price is right at $110. And let's be honest, who could resist that blue? The Latin Legends with the Hiragana sub legends look mint. There are other kits that you can buy like the darker space bars, but I honestly think the base kit does the trick. These keycap sets will look amazing on acrylic and polycarbonate boards, but also work on neutral colors like white, black, and silver. If you don't already own this set, it's a no-brainer. Zabuman, we love you. You already know that. Next up, we're going to be looking at the GMK Nightshade based off of a tale of a witch's potion. Can we talk about how nice the purple is as it pops off that gray? It's really hard to resist buying this set. The purple space bars look sick. The novelties are worth taking a look at. I love the ghost and the cauldron keycaps within the novelties. There's two different desk mats, but I really like that minimalistic gray one with the purple pop. Gonna go great on a number of boards like lilac, silver, black, and gray boards. Space Cables is also dropping a dope cable to go with it. All right, so next up we have GMK Serenity. I'm a simple man. I see Mito, I cop. Love the purple with the white legends. The mods have turquoise, orange, and green, which pop a little bit more on that purple. The compact kit features symbol mods, which look really nice as well. The honeycomb gradient set also looks sick on the first 4 rows. Mito just has a way of designing keycaps. The colors on the space bars are also super nice. I'm gonna have to pick that up as well. Whew, I don't know about y'all, but my bank account is in shambles right now. Here we go again. Now the desk mat is a little too much for my eyes. It feels like I'm being blinded by color. I mean, that's coming from somebody that always blinds you guys with color. But that one's a pass for me. Overall, quality set, quality colorway, Mito. It's a buy. Next up, for all of you PBT lovers out there, we have the ePBT Less But Better. This keycap set pays tribute to the German industrial designer Dieter Rams. It's a clean retro looking set. It gives me those Steve Jobs in the basement trying to create Apple computers type vibes. Love the novelties, especially the striped enter key, and the Less kit gives a little bit of pop to your setup with some color. I'm a sucker for these type of keycap sets, and the pricing isn't bad at $85. Next up, we have the GMK Fuji. It has white alphas, gray mods with some pink accents. You can get this in a Latin or katakana base. I love both the Ramas, and the pink space bars are nice as well. I really like this set, but I feel like this has been done before. So personally, I'll pass, but it does look really nice, especially if you missed out on some older GMK sets in the past. Now, you guys know I'm not a fan of SA Profile by any means, but this set looks hot. It's based off of the harsh desert world orbiting the Twin Suns and the Star Wars Galaxy Outer Rim. It reminds me of the Hawaii Taihao keycap set. The orange, yellows, and purples look amazing, and the green enter key adds some contrast. I really like that. It comes in a specialized box, and it comes also with a hefty price tag of $250. It's expensive because they had to license out the Star Wars name, so you're kind of getting a collector's edition experience, which is nice, but you're gonna have to pay, so you're gonna have to really like Star Wars to pick up this set. Now on to the switches of the month. We have the Snow White switches. These are a custom GMK linear with 64 gram springs, a little heavier than the alpacas, which are 62 grams. They have a palm stem, polycarbonate top, a polyamide bottom, thinly lubricated, and come with films already. So the pricing is really good on these, $75 for $110. I picked some up and I'm excited to try them, and after hearing some sound tests, I don't think I'm gonna be disappointed. Now onto the keyboard group buys. One of my forever boards, aka a board I'm never gonna sell, is back. It's the Baka 60 from the designers Chewy and Blind Assassin, and I have mine right here. I showed it off last time in this series. You guys might recognize this. I've shown it off a couple of different times. One of my favorite boards by far. This time it's coming in a polycarbonate form. It features a 7-degree typing angle, comes with a brass plate which will be sandwich mounted within the keyboard, has an aluminum weight. It doesn't come with a PCB, but it does fit most standard 60% PCBs. I'm using a $40 RGB PCB that I got from Canon Keys, which works perfectly in it. I'll link that one down below if you're interested. It's running on April 10th at 10 a.m. PST and running till the end of the weekend or until the maximum amount of units is reached. They have an MOQ of 40 and will max out at 100. So there's a decent chance that you can pick up one. The pricing comes out to about $360. Then if you buy the PCB for about $40, it comes out to about $400. So don't sleep on this board. It's one of the most aesthetic boards that I own, and one of the most aesthetic 60% keyboards on the market, period. So I might have to pick up another one. So next up we have the KBD Fan 67 Lite. It comes in a wired or Bluetooth mode, which is pretty cool. Comes in a bunch of different colors. It's a 65% keyboard. The pricing is right at $109 to $139. They also give you some options for some foam add-ons and some silicone add-ons, which I think are pretty necessary when you buy a board like this. So you're getting kind of up there in pricing. This is an injected molded keyboard, so it's a little bit on the cheaper side, but I really like the look of that Tiffany transparent teal one. That would go great with the less but better set that we looked at earlier. I can already see it in my head, so if somebody wants to get that combination and try it, let me know. And the turnaround time is pretty good, as the Groupbuys is going to ship out around May 30th of this year. So if you want to get a keyboard into your hands very soon, that might be the one. All right, that is going to do it for episode 10 of upcoming Groupbuys. Really appreciate all the support on this series. I love making these. My wallet doesn't like making these. I know your wallets don't, but at least we're happy, right? All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It has been your boy BT saying peace.